Have you ever felt an irresistible urge to kick off your shoes and dig your toes into the sand? You're not alone. This simple act is not only liberating and grounding, but this ideal activity is also associated with an array of potential health benefits you might not be aware of. Just imagine the warm, sun-kissed sand tickling your toes as you wander barefoot along the shoreline. The simple joy of feeling nature beneath your feet. Walking barefoot on the beach allows for direct contact with natural elements like the flow of electrons from the earth into our bodies, leading to antioxidant effects that support our immune system. Pure, clean, salty sea air. The first thing my yoga teacher said is you must do yoga on the beach. She said the breathing the salty sea air enhances the results from the yoga. It does wonders for the respiratory system, especially for those with asthma and other lung-related issues. Ocean air also contains negatively charged hydrogen ions that help you both absorb oxygen and balance out serotonin levels, resulting in more energy.